Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can get the HTML in Power BI and you can display the HTML in nice in without losing the HTML format. So if you can see on your screen, this is the HTML, the Power BI wiki and all this information. So this kind of the information you can easily display without losing the HTML functionality. On the second page, sometime what happen when we prepare a report, we need a comment or the observation for the visual. So this kind, if you like key message, the prerequisite or whatever you want, you can put in this format. That there all are the bullets and there is a heading, and within the heading there are the bullets. So let me show you how we can do this. So let us go back to the first page. So on the first page, these are the basically, this is my text file and where I have all the HTML. Here you can see the heading Power BI wiki, the Power BI and all this. What I did basically, I have created a two column in Excel file. One is the ID and one is HTML text. And I have given the value of ID as a 1. You can give any numeric value. And I copy the whole HTML from this notepad file and put it here. Okay, and I save this file, this spreadsheet, and sheet name is a 1. So let me show you how we can display in Power BI. So I have a blank page. So here I have a blank page. I will go, I'll get the data, get data. So in my HTML demo, so I will select the sheet 1. So you can see the column ID 1 and my HTML text, and I'll say load. So data is getting loaded here. So data is loaded here. You can see two column, one is ID and one is HTML text. So display into a HTML format, you have to go here and get the visual. Let me sign in. And here you have to go and search HTML search. So you will see here there is a HTML content you can add into the Power BI visual. So I already have added, so I'm not adding it. So only search HTML, and this is the HTML content. We are going to use this custom visual to display the HTML. Now already I have added, so I'm not going to add. So just double click here. So this will appear. Just increase the size of or decrease the size and just put it into the center and here like this, and just drag HTML into a value, HTML text field into a value, and you will see the magic. So you can see here all this HTML. So let me increase the size of this little bit. Okay, so you'll able to see here all the HTML. So this will be displaying without losing the content of HTML tags. So as I showed you, this is the basically file. I just copy paste into Excel sheet. Now next one what basically little bit tricky. The next sheet. So basically what I have here, I have a display sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 in which sequence I wanted to display. Here there will be the heading. Within this heading, this much text is there. This much text is there. And these are the these all these texts are within this. key message, so I keep as it is blank. There is again prerequisite, and within the prerequisite these are the bullets point, and this I leave as it is blank. The display key sequence is very important. I'll show you how it is. Now what I did here, if you know little bit HTML, or if even you do not know the HTML, I'll explain you what is this. I'll say unhide. Let me show you in the formula bar. I have used the Excel concurrent function. Concurrent, the B, basically what I'm saying, the B, this is the B column, and I'm saying with this heading column, make it bold. So B2 / B close. UL is for the basically bullet point. So I am saying the UL and LI. LI is for the each text within that. So this is the LI, and UL I open, LI I open, and I say C2. C2 is the text message. And again I closed LI and I close UL as well. So in this way, my value will be look like this, and I click here and I drag and drop here till here. Okay, so this is my final text. Okay, let me get that into a Excel. So I'll show you how it look like. I'll go to the next page. I'll say the get data demo text. And sheet 2. So my sheet 2 is loading basically. So my sheet 2 is loaded basically here. So this basically the HTML, this one you can do it into the Power BI also using the custom column. You can create a custom column, get this ABC column, and you can do the Power BI also. But I did in Excel. So let me show you now. Now what I'll do, I'll put this HTML content here, double click, and so I will say text, my final text. Once I will say my final text, but if you can see on your screen, this is not coming the right way. This the key message is coming and prerequisite, and here what we have within the key message, these are the texts. Okay, and within the prerequisite, these are the text. So what I will do here, I will click the HTML final text and we'll go here in the sort, and I will say the sort my final text column with display sequence. See the magic. So you can see here. So now it is coming perfectly fine. Okay. So this way you can display. Sometime what happened, there is some visual and user want, and the user or the people, the report owner want to put some comment against the visual. And in the data card with the, it will be the there's a very flat text. So here you can, in this kind, you can prepare this kind of this Excel sheet or the database, whatever. So, and you can display this way. So it will be more readable, and it looks very nice too for your report. So basically, guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe and like, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.